Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! Welcome to a lovely wintry edition, or another episode of GB's Great Unboxing Videos. Let's get ready to unbox something. It's a fairly large box, weighs just over 30 pounds. It's about, 14 inches by about 22 inches. And maybe 10 inches high. It's white and blue and black and red. Let's see what it could be. Yeah. Change it up this time. We'll come outside and get snowy, eh? Woo! RTFO mofos. Just give me a second here. That's it. Weighs just over 30 pounds. Boom! Oh, let's turn this around. There you go. Carly. It shakes, has a rattling sound. Well, let's open it up, eh? Could be a surprise. Could be like, I don't know, puppies. It's the excitement of unboxing videos. Like all the fucktards know, they can't wait for another unboxing. So let's unbox it. Let's rip her open. Whoa, fuck me. Look at this. Oh, fucking A. It's like gold in there, eh? Fuck. That's 24 bottles with tops on them. Oh my god. Oh, and labels. Holy shit, this is amazing. Let's open one of these bitches up. Scores. Cheers, big ears. Well, it's not that full anymore. There's foam in it, but yeah. Tukš, pudeler tukš. Man vajag atkal vienu alu. Alright, bitches. So, there you go. When you buy a box of this, that's what's inside. Go and pick one up. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Because unboxing this stuff is fucking amazing. Until next time, keep on rocking in the free world. RTFO mofos. Oh, fuck it. Let's have another one. Why the fuck not, eh? Hey, save. Woo! RTFO mofos.